Welcome, friends. This is the 12 Days of DIY. Our hosts are Rustic and Lace DIY and Molly Cole Creates. Please check out the playlist in my description box, as well as their channels in my description box, and it will also be placed in the comments. So you can easily go from video to other videos on the playlist from my description box or the comment section. If you haven't, please join the family and subscribe, because you will be finding 12 new DIYs in the next 12 days. Scrap piece of wood, you can use any size from tiered tray to I've used large sizes and 3 different sizes and put on my mantle and under my tree for this project. It's whatever size you, the fun part is it's whatever size scrap wood you have, whatever size you want it to be. The year I had the scrap wood pieces like this on my mantle, I actually sold them right off my mantle. People liked them so well. I couldn't keep them in stock that year, and I don't know why I never did them after that one year. I don't know. Maybe I got tired of doing them. I don't know. But you can do these in the candy colors. You could paint this pink and do a turquoise and add candy on for the bow, or candy for the embellishment. You could do these. I'm doing this snowman and then do buffalo plaid, so you can do it for any style, whether it be farmhouse. You could do it for woodland, you could do it for Candyland, whatever your theme is, you could definitely do this. Would be fun to do an elf and then have like little elf legs or an elf hat on the top of the gift. You could do that instead of the bow. I'm gonna need multiple coats to cover that black. Okay, this is 2 pieces of scrap ribbon for my stash. And I'm gonna just wrap these around and tack them down. Just like you would a present, only of course I wouldn't use hot glue. And I think I'm gonna do it kind of off center up here. And I'm gonna try to get it, I like to try to glue it on the side, so it's not as noticeable where they come together. Sometimes I'll glue it on the bottom too. Then I add the bow. And the one tail is a little long, so I'll just trim the tail. And then you can add different kinds of embellishments. You could put like a little snowflake in there. You could put a little ornament. I'm gonna just use one of these pearls, I think. And I like to dress up the center. There's our tiered tray gift. You could do them in multiple sizes. Like I said, you could do big ones for the mantle. I've used plank, anything from 6-inch planks to 2x4s to little tiny ones. So any of your scraps, you could make these. And I've sold them actually. just our tier tray gift. I need to tack the ribbon down just a little bit, but you can make it in the way you like to match your decor.